So I just wanted to talk to y'all couple minutes, man. Most people ask me like, "Hey, Rome, why did you get into the AI scene?" You know, as an engineer, as a black man, as a person that didn't go to college, I only got my GED. So when I first seen that AI was doing what it do, it was so incredible. It blew my mind. For 2 weeks, I didn't get no sleep. I mean, I did my W-2, and also I studied AI to the fullest. I got well over 10,000 hours in the AI scene, different AIs. I even took the freedom to go and get certified. Yes, I got generative AI certified. It's been almost 2.5 years now, and I still practice every day. So when a person says, why did you start this? And you know that the world is going this way, and that God showed you. See, this is the thing that most people don't get. When God show you, hey, look at this. This is the way the world is going to go. What are you supposed to do? I'm just asking the question, because if you say I'm supposed to lay down and do nothing, do zero, we're going to have a serious problem. Not with myself, but with God, the Almighty. See, He equipped His people for times just like this. And that's the beauty behind it. He never leave His people out. He never leave His people out. That's why I'm confident that through the pain and suffering of, the exhaustion and all of that, staying up, reading, studying, watching, listening, it was all worth it. Yes, it was all worth it. And as a matter of fact, if you look at how today is and listen at what everybody's saying, the media or whatever, you'll see that now, Donald Trump, he made executive orders dealing with AI. That's one thing. We know that now China and United States, they're competing, and other countries also are competing in the AI scene. We know that now robots is going to be a part of our population, a part of what we've been doing for decades, for centuries. Now you're going to have robots walking right beside you. It won't be like the robot, the phone robot type thing, or the total station robot like I use on my W-2. But it'll be a robot that's walking and that's communicating just like you. So the question, like I said, why did I do this? What made me want to get into the AI scene so, deep? Well, if the world is changing that way, then don't get left behind. Yeah, don't get left behind. I can remember, doing some research and studying and stuff about the horse and wagon. That was a big shocker. Even though when the automobile was already invented and being reproduced, it still took 25 years for these people to wake up and say, you know what? We can't make it like we're doing it. Transportation has changed now. All of those jobs dealing with horse and wagon are now gone. Even the guy that was the pooper cleaner guy, that didn't have, too much common sense. So now, where are we at now? We're in the AI revolution. So y'all better be ready. And don't just look at me like, this guy's off the chain and all that stuff. No, you better get off the chain before the chain is on you. And that's what's going to happen. A lot of these college students and stuff, these guys, I got all this, college and bachelors and all that stuff. You better hope to God you don't meet a guy out there like me that don't have a W-2, that actually do this stuff 24/7. See, I'm only doing it, 12 hours a day, So think about the 24-hour guy. It ain't AI is going to take your job. No, it's going to be a human. Yeah, look like me or some other color or whatever. But it's going to be a human that's going to take out the time, that's going to, research, study, so that he can purposely take you out the game. I'm not doing this to take nobody out the game. I'm actually doing this so that I can be able to help my people, so that they can learn this stuff. The transition is going to be so, extreme. So that's why I was like, man, if I can learn this enough that I can break it down for a smart 5th grader, then I can actually teach these people how to do this on a quicker than I learned it. I didn't have nobody to break it down for me. I didn't have no partners, to push me or to do any of that stuff, or anybody to talk to about it while I was doing it. Only thing I was doing was, commenting on YouTubes or, my mentors, and that was it. Watching, listening, writing, listening, watching, practicing. So, yeah, that's why I took out the time to learn AI for y'all guys. So, to the glory be to Yeshua HaMashiach, because he the one that put it in my spirit to do it. So thank God. Because it was huge. I had to sit down and count up the costs. Am I gonna be able to do this? Are you willing to lose sleep? Are you willing to, sometimes I didn't even eat. I forgot to eat because I was so focused, hyper focused in on learning this for you. For you. So, aren't you glad that I learned this? We're going to talk about it more. So let's grow. I'm Rome, your neighborhood AI guru from Beyond AI Solutions, where we're all about tech and all about keeping it real. Let's grow.